What's up, y'all? I'm Nose for Silver, and today we're talking about the tough times we're having with gold and silver today. And we're going to break it down into 5 key points that is keeping the price of gold and silver back from where it truly should be. Let's get to this quick. The first one is banks flood the market with fake silver and prices crash. And we're not talking about fake silver like what you get in a coin, but we're talking about paper money silver that actually has no silver backing behind it. They sell contracts to supply silver, or which they say silver futures will be. But in all actuality, if you try to claim those for real silver, I bet you are not getting your share. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a lover of silver and gold and the markets as well. Number 2 is JP Morgan has already been caught red-handed, and they faced a $920 million fine for cheating. They were spoofing the system, and 2 members of that facility, I believe, went to jail, if I'm not mistaken. But either way, that is a small price to pay from what they actually made. And it just goes to show that big banks are doing this, and they're just the one that got caught this time. But don't think other banks aren't holding the price of silver back. The other interesting thing, prices are cheap, but stores are having a hard time to keep up with silver. This highlights the weirdness they might have noticed themselves, sparking curiosity. Lots of stackers out there are trying to get their hands on the silver while the silver market is pretty cheap. I mean, we're at a low, if it may be high, 80 gold to silver ratio. That's truly unheard of. It should at least be in the 40 to 50 to 1 ratio. So silver is about half its price of what it should be. It is time to stack for me. I don't know about you. And we haven't even gotten into the big tech giants. These companies like, the military complex, Apple, and any other technology company that needs to make a conductive product is using silver, and they're using large amounts of it. It would be a complete detriment to them if silver prices went through the roof. But here's the bad thing. Over the last 5 years, the silver put out has not reached the silver demand. So sooner or later, something's going to have to give, and the silver's just not going to be there anymore for the companies that need it. And is this why your silver stack isn't worth more than it is today? Well, I would say yes. You can tell it's being manipulated. Trump talked today about the possibility of a recession, and the silver prices and the gold prices didn't even react to that comment. If he's seeing the possibility of a transition period, as which he said, we all know he means transitioning from a really nice lifestyle to something that might be encompassed with more inflation, the dollar being way less valued, and just having a hard time getting your hands on the products that you're used to getting, especially as China today put an import duty on beef, poultry, and I believe wheat. So expect to see those prices in the grocery store go up and up and up, just like the eggs, y'all. So to me, something fishy's going on. You can smell it, it's in the air, and you shouldn't get frustrated if you don't see any movements in a short period of time. The water's going to break the levee one of these days, and you'll be happy, or I'll be happy, having that silver stack or that stack of coins, if you like to mix gold in there too, either way. Being able to hold your wealth through precious metals, for me, that's a big win, because those metals usually move with the price of inflation and are worth more than the dollar. But again, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Go speak to your local professional or whoever manages your account about where gold and silver need to belong in your investment strategy. But for me, I'm getting a little leery about those stocks that I own. While I like to keep a very balanced portfolio, I do feel like some of that money could be going towards better things that will hold their value over time. Not excluding real estate. But either way, I'm nose for silver. I am not nose for real estate, and I'm not nose for gold. But silver is happening, something fishy. Let me know if you agree. Hit me up in the comments, like this page, subscribe. I'm a new channel, y'all. I need all the help I can get. And if you're liking the information you're receiving, go check out my other videos and subscribe, hit that bell. I really appreciate it. See you on the table next time with some more coins.